friends. So today we will see how we can use MongoDB shell with command prompt to execute queries on the MongoDB database, like creating the database, executing or creating the collection on the MongoDB, and inserting the data into the tables. So friends, for that you need to install the MongoDB community versions, that is free. So you can just visit the mongodb.com, try download community websites. So just select this Windows 64 and the current version is already selected, and MSI package, that is the exe1. So just click on download, it will be downloaded, and install it on your system. Once it is installed, go to the command prompt and just type mongo. For mongo shell, just write mongosh. But this mongosh is not recognized an internal or external command, and suppose we are also go with the mongo command to get the mongo reference for creating the collection or all those things, creating the db tables or inserting the data. It is not recognized an external or internal commands. So what is the reason behind it? The reason is that in the latest version of the MongoDB that we have installed, does not provide the Mongo shell or Mongo interface to run those commands for creating the DB or creating the collections. So the next thing that we need to do is to download the Mongo shell as well. So just visit the mongodb.com, try download and slash shell URL. So once you are here, you need to download the Mongo shell in the zip format. You can download the MSI format, but you can also download the zip format. I have downloaded the zip format. So once it is downloaded, uh, I have already downloaded it. So once it is downloaded, you can keep it in your C drive. So for example, I have made one in the inside the program files. I have one folder like software. You can keep it anywhere within the C drive or in other drive as well, and you will get the G folder in this format, as you can see here. You need to extract it, so I have extracted and kept it in the mongo shell folder, uh, or you can simply extract it, and you need to configure this path in the environment variable of your local computer. So just go to the bin folder. Here you will find the mongo sh, right? So you need to copy this path. Once you have copied it, just open the environment variable interface in the system. So environment variable, then uh, click on new. So either clicking on new, just click on the path, right, and add new, and just paste your copied path of the MongoDB shell up to the bin folder and click OK. Now once it is done, just close your CMD and again open it. Now try to type mongo sh. Yeah, so you can see we are connected to the MongoDB shell interface. So what? So here we can execute the different commands related to the MongoDB: create collection, create DB, insert the data. So like to show the DBs whatever available, just type show DBs. So you can see here we have admin config local my DB is available. So for using the DB, you need to write the commands like use and the DB name. Suppose I want to use the my DB that has already been created. So now our database is switched to MyDB. Now we can create the tables on the MyDB, or you can also see the how many tables are there, or what are the tables present on the MyDB. So just see, right? So tables, right? So only the one table, the student table is there. And suppose you want to create any other table, just write. So to create any new table, just write db dot create collection and the table name. Suppose I want to create the user table, right? Just hit enter. All right, query is okay. So now the user table has been created. To just type the show tables, you can see here we have the user table. And to insert the data into this user table, just write the dot db dot table name, that is user dot insert one, and just insert the object. Maybe in the user table we can insert like username, right? Username, John, or you can also store the like address, XYZ, anything. Yeah, just hit enter. So now the one record has been inserted in this user table. So if you want to show the records in the user table, just type db dot what was the command, db dot table name user dot find, hit enter. Yeah, so you can see like we have one record, user John, address XYZ. So in this way you can run the commands using the mongo shell. So if you have downloaded the latest version of the MongoDB, so it will not work alone. You need to install the mongo shell and set the environment variable. So you don't need to install the mongo shell, just download the zip version in the form of zip format and just extract it anywhere, and just give the path of the bin folder in the environment variable path. uh, yeah, so once you're done with this, you'll be able to run the mongoose shell through command prompt and easily create the db and other queries, or insert the data, data show the tables in dbs. So I hope your uh, uh, your queries or your issue must resolved by this videos. Thank you for watching this. If you do have any comments or any query, just write your comments in the comment box below. Thank you very much.